Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dan, and today I get to do something that I really enjoy doing, and that's building a custom PC. I enjoy my Mac, I enjoy using it, I enjoy all that it has to offer, but I was raised on the PC. Custom computer builds places the control back in your hands by allowing you to select the hardware you desire and be the master of your own PC's destiny. So you get to choose the video card, you get to choose the sound card, you get to choose pretty much every aspect of your custom computer build. A special shout out to Super Mike for making today's video possible. I'll start with the place where the majority of these parts will reside, the case. This case has been around for a bit and definitely one of my favorites. This is the Corsair Carbide 540 ATX Cube High Airflow case. Today's build features the black case, but it also comes in silver and it also comes in white. This case has an incredible amount of room for your storage, cooling, and all the RGB lighting you can imagine. Plus, it's really on point for cable management. In my opinion, it's just a great case. For the main board, I have the MSI MPG Z390M Gaming Edge. It supports both the 8th and 9th generation Intel processors for the LGA 1151 socket. This board has two M.2 SSD slots, Core Boost, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and oh yeah, RGB lighting. It also supports DDR4 memory, but it maxes out at 32 gigs of RAM. I was hoping that you could add a little more, maybe like 64 or something, but anyway, 32 gigs of RAM is definitely plenty. This is a solid choice, I feel, for your custom build. Next up is the brains of the operation. This is the CPU. This is the 9th generation Intel Core i9-9900K processor. This bad boy right here has a base frequency of 3.6 gigahertz and a max turbo frequency of 5 gigahertz. Plus, this has got to be the best looking packaging I've ever seen for a processor. Now, I remember in the day when you heard the term radiator, you immediately thought of a car or home heating system, but not a PC, which brings me to the next part. The Corsair H150i Pro RGB liquid cooler is what's going to keep this baby ice cold. The H150 Pro is another solid choice for your custom build. This triple fan liquid cooler is mainly known for three things: the perfect cooling solution, low noise, and RGB lighting on the pump. Now be sure when you go liquid cooler shopping, make sure the radiator is not longer than your case. I didn't do this myself, but I can only imagine how frustrating this would be if this happened to you. So next up is a pretty solid choice for 4K and VR gaming. This is ASUS's Republic of Gamers Strix GTX 1080 11GB graphics card. This card includes two HDMI ports, two 1.4 display ports, and one DVI port. Also included are three cooling fans and RGB lighting. Now, if you're in the market for a video card right now, might I also suggest the Asus GeForce RTX 2080. For memory, I'll be using 16 gigs of Viper RGB DDR4 3200 MHz memory. This memory also goes great with the MSI board for Mystic Light Sync. Now, I've heard the boot up times for M.2 SSD drives are insane. So I'm adding the 500 gig drive from Crucial for the boot up drive and the SanDisk 1TB SSD drive for additional storage. Last, we have the thing that's powering this beast, often overlooked when gazing at the amazing computer builds out there. This is the power supply. This is the EVGA 1000 GQ power unit. With eco mode turned on, the power supply fan stays silent until necessary. Now, all the parts in this build will be listed in my description for you to check out and do your own research. Now, you've seen all the parts, you've heard some of my thoughts. Now, my friend, let's judge the results. Now I'm going to get this party started with booting right into Windows. Now, notice how fast I arrive at the desktop. Sweet, right? Now that's a combination of the CPU and the M.2 SSD. So from left to right, let's check out the peripherals. First up is the Logitech G13 gaming pad. Now so far I've only used this for the display features. This unit has 25 programmable keys, backlighting, custom profiles, and macro creation. I keep it on my desk and one day I'll do more than just read the news on the LCD. Now when I purchased this gaming pad, I bought it for $57 on Amazon. Now the same pad is listed all over at $269 and even higher. In my opinion, no way is it worth that kind of money. For my keyboard, I have the Logitech G910 Orion mechanical RGB keyboard. And once you go mechanical, you never go back. Included is ARX Control, which is an app that you download on your Android or iOS device that can track your stats, PC temperature, and more. There is a smartphone dock, programmable keys, dedicated media controls. It's just a sweet keyboard. Next is the Logitech G900 wireless RGB mouse. You get 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, customizable RGB lighting. Notice that everything has RGB lighting, adjustable 200 to 12,000 DPI range, and many other features. Now last but not least, I'm rocking the Steelseries Prism RGB mousepad. My two favorite features are the dual surface and that the USB cable is positioned on the left and out of the way. So crew, what do you think about this PC build? Right now, you're looking at performance results from user benchmark. And as you can see, its performance is above expectations. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. Again, all my parts will be listed in my description. And if you decide to purchase any of these products, please use my provided affiliate links, as it will kick back a little something to the channel, and every little bit helps. So what are some of the specs on your current PC build? And if you could upgrade any piece of hardware on your PC right at this very moment, what would it be? Thanks a lot for watching. This is my first video of the year, so Happy New Year. Be sure to connect with me on Fit, that's Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to the channel. Also click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. This is Dan with TechFit360, and I will see you in my very next video.